So the first step from the academic geography, one of the University of Silicon. This time I would like to talk about analysis of land potential effects of village gas land and our in Boyolali Regency. Outline presentation. First, we go to the problem, second method, third result result, and fourth conclusion. We come to the problem. The need for land depends on human activities. The more complex human activities, the more differs the need for land. This is consistent with research conditions showing that the demand for land is also affected by the population growth rate. The higher the population growth rate, the market for land, meeting the demand for land of people, communities, and government actively moving forward development. However, continued development creates new problems. The land is continuously developed without regard to capacity and of appropriate management can lead to reduce land capacity. Therefore, development must pay attention to the potential of existing land. The land potential can be determined using the potential index or LPI. The land potential index of LPI is the relative potential of land for public use. The higher the LPI value, the higher the capacity of the soil to be used for soil treatment activities that can provide optimal result. Evaluating the potential index is very important as it can be used as a guide to determine the development for area development carried without out carried out on suitable land with very high profit, for example, an agricultural area located on land with a high LPI value will, of course, produce more rice of better quality. Apart from the farm sector, identification of LPI will also benefit industrial, commercial, and other sector. Determine the land potential of index of LPI value can be determined using parameter of slopes, soil type, geology, hydrology, and vulnerability to natural disaster. Aurora line is Japanese, the term from marginal land that is often due to a number of factors such as its fertility and inaccessible location. Soil in the Indonesian dictionary is defined as the surface or layer of the earth. Ownership in turn is defined as the line of ownership of an object in the context of Indonesian airline law. Land without owners is better known as wasteland or during the Dutch colonial period it was was the was that was Groden. The same in definition for wasteland to the no man's land was a term developed by the Dutch colonial government to establish its imperial policy. in Indonesian we getting the control of indigenous land. Budi Harsono explained that open land is all land controlled by the government of the state, except land cultivated by communities or people with rights derived from the right to develop the land. Another term that shows that land without an owner can be found is the term res nullius method. Boyolali Regency is one of the regencies in Central Java Province, astronomically it is located at 110 degrees 22 minutes until 110 degrees 15 degrees east longitude and between 7 degrees 7 minutes until 7 degrees 36 minutes south latitude with an altitude of 75 until 15,000 meters above sea level with an area of 1,015.10 square kilometers. Administrative Boyolali Regency is divided into 22 districts, namely Sela, Ampel, Gledek Cepogo, Musuh, Taman Boyolali, Josama, Teras, Sawit, Banyudono, Sari, Ngeplak, Nogosari, Simo, Karanggede, Bogor, Andong, Temusu, Wonosobo, Wonosamudro, and Juwen. Method. First, the research method used is a non-probability sampling method or purposive sampling, which does not present the entire existing sample. Second method is spatial analysis with a geographic information system. The data processing is giving a rating of scoring for each parameter of the land potential index, which is the overlay method. Instrument inventory, data source and data type. Primarily data observation, um, physical data, identification, potential index for relocation location. First, land ownership data. Second, land location. Third, type land use for topographic and five coordinates. Primarily data information or K version. The data type is village head, village official, community figures who understand the condition of their area. Data source numbers 3, research is to data type is questionnaire camera timestamp evidence map artist application station and GPS. Secondary data. Number one is village data. Data type, map and map plots of village intelligence Oro-Oro. Second, data Boyolali Regency is active with third SAS planet with the high resolution satellite imagery. Therefore, TPU and the classification and the other source is both internet articles, research and so on. Supporting data and information. The method in this research is spatial analysis with a geographic information system. The data processing used is giving a rating or scoring of the its parameter, the land potential index, which is the overall number of emissions. RPI is R plus L plus T plus X uh, XP uh, is the ratio of the overlay gap totality, which can then be classified into the RPI plus the total value calculation is carried out using the following formula. Reset ratio. This is a distribution of village tertiary land and around land with the land potential index level in Boyolali Regency. So you can see that there's many, yeah, village tertiary land, uh, Boyolali Regency. You can see where this it can be there. So, so zoom in is analysis of that potential against with village tertiary Regency. As you can see, there's a historic district of Boyolali, western district of Boyolali, northern district of Boyolali. Conclusion. Boyolali district has a land use with a very low potential index. Land with a very low potential index is not only used for art, cultural or conservation activities, but also for studies. Local factors such as economic, and environmental conditions play an important role in determining land use. Thank you for your attention. Maybe I speak in English for apologize. Uh, this uh, yeah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.